Today is a test day. It's the first time that the test weekend is the weekend before the race. It's time enough to analyze, it's time enough to rebuild the car. The most important thing is to come prepared. The whole Porsche family is here. It's the first time we have customer pro cars, and yeah, all 12 members will be on the track later.
Test day. It's really just for team drivers, everyone to get dialed in a bit. But you know, Le Mans is Le Mans. It has proven again and again it's unique. The quick corners and so on, a bit different, but I'm very much looking forward to it.
It's an important day, but also not easy. You know, we drive on normal roads, so the track at the beginning is very dirty, low grip. Every lap you do, better grip you get.
When you are testing, you still have some question mark on how to handle, how should be the balance of the car, or how will be the grip.
It's heating up a lot right now. The track temp, I think, is over 45 degrees. But so far, so good. You know, first laps in a GT around Le Mans was impressive. I can take more curbs than ever.
When you come here to Le Mans, you see the cars out there, the intensity, you can feel the atmosphere building up here already now. That was my first run there, so just taking it step by step. It just feels great to be here and part of it.
We are competing in the GTE-Pro category with Porsche GTE. It's a bit of a challenge. We are making quite good progress. It's looking good for us at the moment.
It's the first time that I'm driving the new car here. The setup is great at the moment, so we should be enough prepared for the big one.
So far so good, we feel quite ready for the race. We feel well prepared, the car is good in balance, and we have to have the luck on our side, and then everything is possible.
We could tick off our test program earlier than expected. It's really, really good to see the customer pro cars are with us. We definitely feel ready. We just want to go racing.